Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ma'am, send them to ERPS.
Ukloria le kai football barim kari India Bhaichung Bhutia ula penpau bakapor kala day ukloria le kai barim ke Meghalaya Eugeneson lingdo un Shimti no kumunongelam ke Meghalaya Football Association. Ula ong bauba larsing ming sawian ubadang bat kumu presiden ke MFE ula no senyang shibon ka kami le kai football ha Meghalaya Henry kapor kala day ban wanra ka jingkela ha ka ba Eugeneson ula day ban mi bujli kumu kloria le kai barim khnang bakan long ka jingerap ka bakrao ya ke jala Meghalaya hi baro ka wei ha ka ban kenteu ya ka kami le kai football kumma ka pau ka senjuk ya le kai jong ke MFE kadai ban yo no daki nongkit kam ki batmai hadin baka samoy tray kam kala poisya ka bakut ha usnem balala Henry hadu menta ampat simlala ban penlong yike election ban jit yiki nongkit kam ki batmai hakawaya day bat ka vision 2047 bala bu thong daka All India Football Federation Bhutia ulaong bakum gini ki jingbu thong kila don nadu ki por ki ba menshwa Henry kanam don jingmut lada amla ban pentray kam yiki hagarukam ka badai.
New body needs to do a lot of work. I think they need to get the structure right first thing. It's only about, I just saw and they announced Vision 2047. You know, that vision is always there. It has there before earlier presidents also. They always had aims, vision. But unless and until you don't implement. Today, biggest challenge for the new body is to get the structure right. To get even today, if you're looking at ISL, I think ISL itself is still not settled whether promotion relegation happens. What is going to happen to I-League players that want to win the I-League? Can they qualify? Where is the relegation happening? Is the second division playing? What are the aims? I mean, I think that structure has to be right, and I think that's where they need to work more than anything else. And I think they will take some time. But until and unless they don't get the structure right, they don't have the clear vision where they want to go. Just having a 2047 vision, and then when 2047 will come, you'll have again 2087 vision. That doesn't work. So I think the new body will have to work hard. And good thing is we're getting a lot of young people now into different association, and it's good to see my friend Eugeneson Lindok now, you know, in Meghalaya Football Association. I think it's time for people like Eugeneson Lindok to now take charge of Meghalaya football and be a president. I think yes, Ming is contributed, but I think it's time for Larsen Ming also to move out and give young people like Eugeneson Lindok opportunity to be the president and get his vision and programs for Meghalaya football. And it's good that, you know, we'll have to see a lot of this kind of young players coming into association and having that passion to really take the football forward.